मनोज क्या है मनोज 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 ये मनोज 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 I am from India. दादा के बीच में मत आओ. So this is one more thing. This is she was using henna for last 10 years. So it's a henna for mainly basically. So we have done the treatment on henna for hair also. So the product basically is able to do all the hair. That's what the main. तो भाई ट्राइपॉड पे लगाएं.
Get your other side done, please.
चलो चलो पीछे हटो.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell us something about the brand.
Well, Beauty Garage अभी तक तो आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा. It's an initiative by Jigar and Mahesh. So Beauty Garage was started in 2017. It started by very young, talented minds, and they're doing quite well in the market, especially in the hair business. So yes, I'm very happy to be here, and it's an honor.
Do you use this brand, ma'am?
I have used it once before we got connected for this one. I was introduced to it by my friend who works in Lakme Salon. Basically, it's a service. It is provided by professionals in salons, and that's how I got to know about it, and I quite liked it. It's quite nice. I mean, all I can say is that you need to try it to believe it. आप भी try करो.
And what's the secret behind your beauty, ma'am?
What is the secret behind my beauty? Let's talk about hair. देखिए, हम जिस प्रोफेशन में हैं, या फॉर दैट मैटर आप जिस प्रोफेशन में हैं, और बॉम्बे में जो ह्यूमिडिटी होती है, जो वेदर होता है, उसके लिए, और हमारे प्रोफेशन में भी हम बहुत सारे हीट स्टाइलिंग टूल्स यूज़ करते हैं, प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करते हैं, तो बाल ख़राब हो जाते हैं, या फिर वेदर से बाल ख़राब हो जाते हैं, फ्रिजी हो जाते हैं. सो आई थिंक अ सिटी लाइक बॉम्बे, और फॉर दैट मैटर इवन दिल्ली और एनी ट्रॉपिकल सिटी, हम लोग को चाहिए कि हम अपने बालों का थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान दें. So I think treatments like this, services like this really help us. And जैसे कि बोटोप्लेक्स ट्रीटमेंट की बात करूँ तो the effect is for 6 months. So I think it's deal done. What else do you need?
And what do you think, what is the best part of this product as compared to the other products? Because there are so many products.
Yes, there are so many products, which is why I say you got to try it to believe it. मैं आप लोगों को ये कहना चाहूँगी कि आप खुद ट्राई करें तो आपको पता चलेगा. Of course, there are many other products in the market. But it really helps you to build the elasticity of your hair, and you know, you'll have frizz-free hair. I felt nice, which is why I think that I want to do it again. So you'll see the difference. देखिए, बालों की बात करें, स्किन की बात करें, या बॉडी की बात करें, सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है पानी पीना. आई थिंक वी ऑल शुड ड्रिंक लोड्स एंड लोड्स ऑफ वाटर कंसिडरिंग द वेदर वी लिव इन. और उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स थोड़े से होम रेमेडीज़ भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. कोकोनट वाटर पीते रहिए, पानी पीते रहिए, और अच्छा खाइए. अच्छा खाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आपकी बॉडी में सिर्फ अंदर ही नहीं, बाहर भी दिखता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ट्रीटमेंट्स लाइक दीज हेल्प यू.
And do you use the same product because the temperature outside is very hot in the summer? What kind of product do you use
On my hair,
on your hair?
usually you shampoo and you condition your hair, and then thoda bahut beech mein if you need. I didn't feel the need after using this product. It's been 2 months I guess now. It's been 2 months. मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं महसूस हुई कुछ और ट्रीटमेंट कराने की. So let's see. The effect shows on your hair for 6 months. तो मुझे नहीं लगता इसके बाद आपको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी.
Okay, so apart from this, recently you uploaded a picture in policeman
Yes.
the 3-star, which is looking very good and the response
Thank
is
you.
also really good.
Thank
What
you.
do you want to say about it?
I always wanted to play a cop and this is like a dream come true. It's a very very interesting and intense project. आपको ज़्यादा details बहुत जल्द पता चलेंगी. But I'm very happy to be part of this project and I got to play a cop and it is very different from what I've played in the past. So wait for it.
Is it a OTT or a movie?
OTT. Yes. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. मुझे जितने तरह के वीडियोस और रील्स बनाने का मौका मिला, आई वॉज वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. एंड जिस तरह का काम करने का मौका मिला, you know, I have not played such an intense character before. So I really want you to see and tell me how it was.
And ma'am, now people are waiting for you and Shahid Sheikh to come up with one more good song.
Ask Shahid, he's so busy. You need to ask Shahid about it. He is always busy.
Can we see you guys in OTT or like?
Of course. If anything comes up, we'll definitely take it up. We so want to work together again and again and again. So yeah, वो थोड़े busy रहते हैं, उनके पास time नहीं होता है. But yes, I know people loved us as Shahina and we're really looking forward कि आगे और काम करें.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
shampoo conditioner just for women hair. You can just
This one.
आप shampoo conditioner, photo like shampoo conditioner. After the treatment.
So yeah, this is the shampoo and conditioner you can use after the treatment. Here you go. It'll help you retain the once you get the treatment done, right?
Retain the moisture level.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
थोड़ा और पीछे चलो मैम, थोड़ा पीछे चलो. मैम प्लीज आप पीछे चलो. आप उससे बात करो. धक्का मुक्की जो भी करें.
What I had said enough about the product. Use it.